I'm dear friends, and I'll show you today how to take a snapshot in Movavi. Okay, this is your project and this is your video clip, and for example you like this moment and decided to take a snapshot. Here you have just to click and automatically it will lead you to the direction videos Movavi library on your computer, and you just have to choose the name of your snapshot. Let it be snapshot 2 for example, but you can change the place, you can choose whatever you want, for example here, and let's save it. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!